My name is John Beasley. My role here is, I was the managing director, but I'm now handing over to a new general manager, so I manage the day-to-day running of the business. I've worked here for over 30 years. I came along in the 1990s and I've been here ever since, so yeah, a long time. At Saturn Spraying, we design and manufacture spinning disc machines, primarily for the food industry, but we do the occasional job outside of that, and it primarily is spraying glazes and oils onto food in a production environment. Saturn Spraying has been in the food industry since the 80s. I mean, it's been through a few changes over that time, but yeah, it's been around for some years and is well established in that industry. Well, it's quite a niche area that we operate in, but generally it's the fact that we are, due to our smaller size, I think we can be more reactive to customers' needs and in that respect, and you know, we're able to sort of be a little more should we say, a little more flexible in meeting their requirements. It usually benefits them in so much that there are cost savings in productionising, if that's a word, the part of the manufacturing process. Automating would be a better word. The manufacturing processes, and you're usually replacing work that was previously labour intensive. Probably in excess of, we don't make hundreds every year unfortunately, but yeah, in excess of 500 I should think easily over the years we've made. Generally because we will accommodate customers' requirements. Production lines for one reason or another are different widths, they are different heights, and the customers sometimes require different bells and whistles, shall we say, different extras onto their machine, and we aim to try and accommodate as many of those requests and needs as we can in order to build them the correct machine and the right machine for their production. Yeah, there's quite a number. We do a lot of work for customers who then sell on complete lines, but the names you would know are the likes of Greggs and Ginsters and Kerry Foods, those sort of people. We've sold to international companies like Bimbo, who are quite well known in the bread industry worldwide. Lampman and Unibake are quite well known, I think, and Birdseye, Findus. Covers quite a range, so we deal with very small companies and up to the multinational companies. Well, a difficult question because there are various. We go from a single disc machine up to 16 disc machines with possibly with heating on. So yeah, in a normal environment, I would say that it's sort of 6 to 8 weeks is the minimum, but it can be anything up to like 26 weeks for a large machine. Difficult to say really. I think it's the reliability and consistency of the machines. They are very simple to use and very simple to upkeep with the upkeep of the machines. They're not particularly complicated, but if you look after them, the machine will go on and on for many years. A spinning disc machine is extensively, you have discs that are in pairs that are contra-rotating, and it sprays, the liquid is fed to the centre of the disc, and then the centrifugal force of the disc sends the liquid to the outer edge and then sprays it down onto the conveyor and the products running underneath. They are contra-rotating so that in pairs, so that you get an even spray, because it sprays more from one side of the disc, and as it goes across the conveyor it sprays less, and the opposite disc has the opposite effect. So the general end product is that you get an even and consistent spray across the conveyor.
My name is Alan Stanley and I'm the General Manager at Saturn Spraying. I think first and foremost that we have bespoke manufactured products which directly fit the customer's needs. So it's close contact with the customer, understanding their needs and then building the machine to their needs. As a business, it's a small family business, and that's what we are. We're a family team of professional engineers, and our end goal is to satisfy all of the customer's needs, as the customer is first and foremost. And that's what we intend to do, and that's why we're a family, and it's a great business to be in. My name's Alan Stanley. I'm the new General Manager of Saturn Spraying, and I'm here to take Saturn Spraying to the next level.